Introduction to Automated Email Sending.
Automating email sending with Python streamlines repetitive communication tasks. Whether you're sending reports, reminders, or notifications, learning how to schedule Python scripts for emails enhances workflow efficiency. In this guide, you'll discover the basics of setting up automated email delivery, the tools needed, and step-by-step instructions to get started.
Requirements and setup.
To begin, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. You'll need access to an email account that supports SMTP, such as Gmail. Additionally, install the SMTP library, which comes standard with Python, and the email module for formatting messages. For scheduling, be prepared to use built-in tools like Task Scheduler on Windows or cron jobs on macOS and Linux.
Writing the Python script.
Start by importing the SMTplib and email message modules. Next, create an email message object. Set the sender, receiver, subject, and body. Securely add your email service's SMTP server details, then use login credentials to connect. Once ready, use the send message method to dispatch your email automatically. Remember to follow your email provider's security recommendations.
Scheduling the script.
To automate your emails, schedule the Python script to run at your chosen intervals. On Windows, use Task Scheduler to create a new task that runs your script daily or weekly. On macOS or Linux, set up a cron job for regular execution. This allows your emails to be sent without manual intervention, perfect for routine tasks.
Best practices and troubleshooting.
Always protect your email credentials by storing them securely, such as using environment variables. Check your email provider's limits and spam policies to avoid delivery issues. If you encounter errors, review your SMTP server settings and make sure required permissions are enabled. Regularly test your setup to ensure emails are sent reliably and on schedule.
Conclusion and next steps.
With Python, automating email sending is achievable for anyone looking to boost productivity. By understanding script creation and scheduling, you can handle routine communications efficiently. Explore more advanced features like attachments and HTML formatting as you become comfortable, expanding your automation capabilities even further.